We're going to repair a broken hinge on a locket. The first trick is to work and push the old hinge out. You can see this one is in two pieces. Thin pin to push, and then you can grab it with a pair of pliers and pull it out. Grab it and pull it out. You can push it with the pin. Find the correct diameter of steel so we can put it back in the pin. I've got all kinds of little scrap steel around here. Thread tie looks like about the same thickness, maybe a little thin, but we'll see how it works. Place the pin in, then I'll lock it with this UV resin. Place the steel into the top portion of the hinge, the other part in, and just continue pushing it through. The trick is to be able to get it all the way through until you can see it peer out in that little hole there. Push and pull with the pliers, and then just kind of pull and verify that the hinge is nice and sturdy. I want this hinge to fall out, so I'm going to lock it in with some resin. This stuff is crystal clear. It'll flow in just a little bit, and then you take a UV light and harden it. Got a little pin prick up here, so as I squeeze it, I can squeeze the resin out just a little bit like that. A little bit on a toothpick. I'll dab each side of the hinge, then I'll be able to wipe off everything and then cure it. Set this up with some rubbing alcohol. UV flashlight to cure everything. Once it's cured, we'll cut off the steel pin. Use a very sharp pair of cutters. Make sure the hinge is nice and strong and that everything clips closed. We may have to do a little adjustment. The pair of pliers just kind of adjust it in just a little bit so it'll clip a little tighter. Fit it, and you can see it just clips real nice. At the style of this, it's probably from the 40s.